Hello and welcome back. So hello good people. Um, I'm glad that you're back here to watch this video. For the last 2 years, I've made two videos on ASC timetables. So the videos have been informative according to the feedback that I've been getting from you good people. Now, there's been a lot of questions from different people across different parts of the world on how to use particular features of the ASC timetable. Now, I'm making this video purposely to give you an opportunity to express all your concerns concerning certain areas of the ASC timetable. So in the next video that I'm going to make about the same software, I'll be responding to all the questions that you have concerning particular areas of the ASC timetable. So if there are areas that you don't know how to use, or if there are some features that you want to put in that specific software, so this is the best platform for you to ask all those questions. In that, the next video I'll be addressing a comment after the other. So I'll be making a video to highlight a given area, or maybe to answer a certain question, and then once I'm done with one of my followers, and then I'll now shift to the other person. I will make sure that I will exhaust all the questions that you guys are going to put there. So I'm giving you just 7 days from now, from the day I'm posting this video, so that you can air your question, or you can list your questions in the comment section below, so that I'll be responding to all the questions that you have. So kindly make sure you make proper use of this opportunity. Make sure you make a proper use of this platform, so that at least you benefit in our next video. So guys, kindly put all the questions that you have in the comment section below. Thank you for being here. Kindly always remember to subscribe, like this video, and you can always invite your friends.